Hello everyone. Today we are going to study on the topic of basal ganglia. So, before getting inside the topic, do subscribe and click on the bell button. So, what are basal ganglia? Basal ganglia is referred to a group of subcortical nuclei within the brain responsible primarily for the motor control. And basal ganglia is basically a set of different bodies which are collectively involved in easy of movement and controls the motor activity. Here in the picture you can see, let me zoom it. Here you can see, here is the frontal lobe, this is the posterior lobe. So frontal and back it is mentioned. On the cross section view of it, you can see there is a basal perfect image of basal ganglia. That is, here it is the cerebral cortex, caudate nuclei and putamen. The caudate nuclei and putamen, which together is known as striatum. Then comes the thalamus, indicated in blue. Then comes the globus pallidus, which is indicated in purple. Then comes the subthalamic nuclei, that is indicated in fluorescent color, that is yellow. Then comes the substantia nigra, which is indicated in green. These are the major parts of the basal ganglia which has to be remembered. Then comes rest. Then comes the rest part. So here there are parts of basal ganglia. That is, first one is striatum, and it is together known as striatum, that is cortex and putamen. This both compound together, which we call is that a striatum. Then comes the second, that is substantia nigra per compacta. It is also indicated as SNPC. Then comes the substantia nigra per reticulata, that is indicated as SNPR. In some books, it can be given in a mnemonic form such as SNPC or SNPR, which represents substantia nigra per compacta or substantia nigra per reticulata. Then comes the globulus pallidus interna, that is GPI. Then fifth one, it is the subthalamic neuron, that is STN. Then comes the globulus pallidus externa, that is represented as GPI. These are the main 6 points, that is, first one is striatum, substantia nigra per compacta, substantia nigra per reticulata, globus pallidus interna, subthalamic neurons, globulus pallidus externa. In this axial plane, let me zoom it here. Here I'll indicate it in gray color. The frontal one, this part is the frontal lobe. Then here at the back, that is posterior. Here it is a frontal horn of the lateral ventricle. Then comes the globus pallidus externa. Here you can't see it clearly. You can see on the left side, that is globus pallidus externa, which is indicated in orange color. Then comes the globus pallidus interna. On the other side, you can see it is indicated in yellow color. Then comes the putamen. Putamen, here it is indicated as a green color. This is known as putamen. It normally in book it is represented as white, gray color. So don't get confused. This is the representation with color I have given so that you can easily recognize it and know it. Then comes the head of caudate. In the top, this is the head of caudate. This is the head of caudate. Then comes the tail of caudate. It will be on the both the sides. You can see it here, but it is not shown, but it will be represented on the both the sides. Then comes the lateral ventricle. Then comes the lateral ventricle. And here is the, as I have said you, here it will be the posterior, as that it was anterior, so this is the posterior horn of lateral ventricle. Then this pink, it is represented as thalamic. Let's see briefly. So this way we are going to see that is a putamen, as well as like we have seen in earlier image. Here is the tail, here is the lateral ventricle, and and then comes the thalamic, then comes the, here you can see head of caudate, then here you can see the thalamic, it represents on the both the sides, then comes the globus pallidus interna, then comes the globus pallidus externa, then comes the tail of caudate. Once again, let's repeat it. Here, putamen, tail, lateral ventricle, thalamus, tail of caudate, globus pallidus externa, globus pallidus interna, then putamen, then comes the head of caudate. These are the main structures in the human brain of the basal ganglia which has to be remembered. These are the today's 2 minute lecture. Thank you, and always we'll come up with another topic. Thank you.